how to block ads on your Android phone with a simple setting inside your phone. To block the advertising and ads on the whole phone, on the whole system, no matter what network you're connected to, you go to settings, open the settings app, and then choose network and internet. On the network and internet page, you scroll down until you see private DNS. This setting, private DNS, you change the setting from off, from select private DNS mode off to private DNS provider hostname, and enter manually dns.adguard-dns.com. And this is going to block. If you see here can't connect, it means there is a problem, but there is no problem and now it's working. If it says can't connect, you find the latest address and IPs by searching in Google for AdGuard DNS IP, and then Google will show you the actual IP addresses for the DNS for AdGuard. You can use this as a regular IP address for your DNS for the Wi-Fi. This address, DNS over HTTPS, this is the one we use here. So you use this one without the HTTPS and without DNS query. And public DNS is what we use here, and you can use their app, but if you prefer to set it up manually, you can configure it like this. Private DNS, you add dns@adguard.com, you can copy it from here. You can also use family protection server, where it blocks ads, trackers, adult content, and enables safe search. So you might want to use this one, which blocks more things. Or you can enter the addresses manually. This is for plain DNS. And this is the DNS over HTTPS. But by far the simplest is to use this setting, the DNS AdGuard, and it's done. If on some Wi-Fi networks this doesn't work, you can disable it by coming back to this setting and setting it to off, and then you connect to the Wi-Fi. If there are some Wi-Fi networks that need you to log in or something like this, this might not work at first, but then you can enable it again. It saves there. Thanks for watching. Let me know how this works for you.